Doubt.
Doubt.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the people optimization. What is in the optimization? The optimization technique which is used to produce the optimized code, which is used to perform the execution on the target program. That is the main use of people optimization. That is, the small window is moved over the instruction or the target code, and it's directly applied on the assembly language. Actually, it is a simple and efficient optimization technique, and which is used to improve the performance of the target program and examine the shorter sequence of the target machine instruction and replacing this instruction by the shorter as faster sequence. Then we'll discuss about the what are the characteristics and techniques we are using in the people optimization. The first characteristics is redundant instruction elimination. Here, when you take these two examples, that is move A comma B and move B comma A. Just we are moving the A content to B, and again we are using the same code, that is move B comma A. So in move A comma B, the move data that will be moved to the B operand. Again we are using the B comma A. The B, it contains the already the A's data. So again we are using the same instruction. So you can eliminate the second instruction. So that is there any redundancy in the program? So you can eliminate that code. So using that redundant instruction elimination, you can eliminate the second code in the given program. You can take any example. Is there any redundancy in the execution of the program? You can eliminate the code as well. And we can eliminate the unreachable instruction. See, when you take the example as sum equal to 0, if you are using if sum, and how will you print the statement sum? If statement never get executed, so we can eliminate the unreachable instruction. So we can first, here we should eliminate the unreachable instruction using the technique is the redundant instruction elimination. So that is the next one. You can eliminate the unreachable instruction. So the if statement never get executed, so you can eliminate the unreachable instruction. And the next one is flow of control. The flow of control means this method used to eliminate the unnecessary jump from the loop. When you take this one, that is go to test, and here we are using 3 statement for this one to reach done statement. Here the go to ABC and the ABC go to end. Finally, that the code ABC should reach end statement. Here we are using the go to ABC, ABC go to end. So unnecessarily we are using the jump statement. To avoid this one, we are using the unnecessary jumps from the loop, that is eliminate the unnecessary jumps from the loop. Directly you can move the go to end, and directly you can move the ABC to end. Okay, so using the flow of control method, you can eliminate the unnecessary jump. And the next one is algebraic specification. In this algebraic specification, here we are adding a equal to a plus 0 and a equal to a star 1. Here we are getting the same answer for the both instruction, that is a equal to a plus 0 means you are getting the same answer a, and here a equal to a plus 1, a into 1 means you are getting the same answer. So you can eliminate the second instruction. This type of algebraic instruction is eliminated by the people optimization. And the next one is the strength reduction. In the strength reduction, which is used to reduce the strength and eliminate or replace the higher priority expression with the lower priority expression. See here the higher priority we can write like this, that is b equal to a star 2 You can write like this also, that is b equal to 2a. You can write like this also, b equal to a plus a. You can get directly 2a. So like this also we can convert from the higher priority to lower priority method. This is the one of the method in the people optimization to reduce the strength. So that is the that is eliminate and replace the higher priority expression with the lower priority expressions. And the fifth characteristics is mission idioms. That is, the target instructions have the equivalent mission instruction for performing some operations. The main use of this technique is, that is, the equivalent of mission instructions performing some operation. So these are the 5 techniques under the people optimization. The first one is the redundant instruction elimination, and next one is the we can eliminate the unreachable instruction, and next one is the eliminate the unnecessary jumps from the loop, and the next one is the algebraic specification. That is the eliminated by the these types of algebraic specification is eliminated by the people optimization, and the fourth one is the strength reduction, and the fifth one is the mission idioms. So these are the techniques or comes under the people optimization. That's all about people optimization. Thank you.